odor control and it is less expensive. Is it clear to you? In your farm, have as much as charcoal. Do you understand? Have a net. Tie that charcoal inside it and hang it on your pond. I mean on your pig pen. That thing will absorb all the odor and will control it. In my toilet, in my house, you saw that this thing we used to sell, that net for apple. When you buy apple, after finishing the apple, the net is still useful. You put charcoal inside it, tie it, and put it inside there. It is automatically rewind. I said in my house, in my toilet, I apply this charcoal solution to odor. Yes, that the net of that what do you call it? Apple. After eating the apple, that net, just put charcoal inside, tie it, put it there. It will absorb your odor.
Is it enough quantity or just
Just little quantity. Is it clear to us?